just came in today. I'm buying this for one of my kids. I'm too cheap for a cell phone, so this is only $5 a month. And that's all I really need to know is where they are. That's the whole box. Let's open it up. I already have the small tracker, which goes I use for my drone. So it's nothing here. It's supposed to last a month, and you only have it pinged 6 times a day. So I'm figuring pinging every half hour would probably give me about a week and a half of battery. So that's underneath, nothing else. I wish this would have been a micro USB charger. Now I'm stuck with making sure I always have this cable with me. I don't like that because, you know, and I gotta buy an extra one. This is the actual watch itself. It's a nice band, rubber. Tiny to put on here. So this is the front of the phone. I think it just has the time and the GPS tracking information, antenna and stuff. So this is the back, where you put the charger on. Well, at least it doesn't come with a power adapter. You can use USB, which is good. It's magnetized. So, oh, there it goes, just like that. And that's a nice rubber band. This is the side. It's a regular button. That might be a reset button because it's all the way in. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna find out. It looks like a speaker. I'm gonna have to look at the instructions. Okay, there it is. So these are definitely the speakers. So you can see there, it says speaker. And up button, reset button. So the middle button, yes, it's definitely the reset button. I guess if you want to sell it or something. And the down button and the microphone. It says it's in the corner. I don't see a hole or opening. I don't know if this. I don't know where the microphone is. Yeah, it says it should be somewhere here. I guess I can't see it. The microphone. So, alright, let's charge it up. See how well it works. Pretty thick. So it's got a big battery in it. Let's see if I can plug it in here. See if it comes up at all. And there we go, so it's charging. That's the wrong. So it has a the wake up feature when you just turn your arm up, flick your arm up. Yeah, I think that's the wrong date, the wrong time. I guess I'll fix that once I get a better cell signal, GPS signal. Yeah, so it has that, I forget what you call it, when you flip the watch, so that it'll only turn on when it'll only be on when you flip it up towards you. I'll leave it charging. See how long it takes. So I left it charging overnight. I don't know how long it takes to get a full charge, but overnight did it. So my son's been using the Trackimo watch, GPS watch, for almost 2 weeks now, right? Mm-hmm. 2 weeks. So how you like it?
It's fine. I could also count my steps as well. Here we go. That's the
How
steps.
did you get to that?
Top button. Top button, you hit
So
it
you
once.
just tap it,
Yep.
and you go back and forth. And what does the bottom button do?
SOS if you hold it down for 4 seconds.
That's all it does?
Yeah,
So
that's about it.
let me see. So there's only 2 buttons here. Right there, the middle, I believe, is the reset button if you're gonna sell it. Over here is 2 holes, but that's just the speaker. And like he said, let's do an SOS thing. So you hold it for 2 seconds, 4 seconds. And it's right there. It sent the, oh wait.
You just reset the watch.
SOS. You saw that? Oh, wait, hold on. And then this will turn, if you do a long hold on the top button, it'll turn it on and off. If you do a short press, it'll do a switch.
Yeah.
Between. And the GPS signal is pretty good. I get the notifications and everything. It's a signal right there. It's pretty strong. And it's so far so good, right? So, 2 weeks of using it with my son, it works. I see him. I know when he's getting home, when he's home. I really like it. He likes it too. It gives him something to carry, a gadget watch. But not, instead of paying $300 for an Apple Watch.
No, Apple Watch costs like $250, I think, for like the Series 1, like $200.
Well, after taxes and everything, and then it costs $10 to keep it, to have it connected. This is just $5 a month, and it gives me a constant signal. I could set up fences where when he passes it, I get a notification. So
White.
Yeah, I get a notification. So I'll take the map and I'll draw a line and say, when the watch passes a certain point, notify me. So it notifies me, so I can set up. I have about 3 or 4 fences set up, so I don't know how many you're allowed, but it works very, very well. It's pretty good. It's 3G. It's a lot better than the old. I had the old GPS that I purchased about 3 or 4 years ago. It was the 2G Trackimo. This is the first Trackimo watch that they came out with. The other Trackimos were just small devices. You would carry it in your pocket and book bag, right? Yeah, he would carry it in his pocket and book bag. So the watch is nice, more convenient. He gets to use it, see his steps, and it's pretty cool. And we like it very much. You like it? Okay. Thank you. Bye. I just wanted to add at the end of the video that not only the GPS signal is very good. When I showed the watch, that was showing the 3G antenna, I believe, and the 3G antenna is excellent. It's great. I can pretty much track this to within, I don't know, 100 feet. It's pretty cool. My son and I, one day I went to go pick him up, and there was some miscommunication, and I took out my phone, started the Trackimo app, and I actually ended up right across the street from where he was. I was originally about 3 blocks away. I just kept going towards the watch, and I was right across the street when he ended up calling me. And I told him I'm in front of this location. He says, "Oh, I'm across the street." So it's great. At this point right now, it works very well. We're using it in New York City, so I don't know how well it's going to work outside of the city. I'll find that out when I go outside of the city. But it's a great tracker. You know, it just keeps me in touch of where he is, if he's gotten out of school yet, if he's gotten home. It's just sort of like a helicopter parent type of device from a distance. I hope that's okay. Thank you. Bye.